Good morning. I came back from being offline for 2 days to a bunch of new followers. So hi, say hi if you just added me. Today I'm going to be talking about what are the 3 most important things to put in your consumer product so that users keep coming back and you have a high DAU/MAU ratio. Alright, let's start with a basic fact. 20% of apps are only used once, and if an app is only opened once in 7 days, there's a 60% chance it will never be opened again. Step 1, the onboarding. You have about 30 seconds to explain to the user not what your app does, but how your app is going to make them better. If the user completes their first session without really understanding how your app is going to make their life better, you've already lost them and it's going to be very hard to recover from that. The key to making that first session successful is making it dead simple with one clear call to action. You can't make an app that does everything for everybody. By the end of the first session, it's essential that the user is teased into wanting more. They have to know that there's something waiting for them new when they come back. Step number 2 is to manage expectations as to when your user should come back. If it's the first day, I recommend you get them back within 24 hours. What I found at Glide is that a user that shows up 24 hours after they first installed and used the app for the first time is much more likely to be around 6 months later. In step 3, make sure that every session there is something new that is accomplished, something tangible. This could be a new story. This could be a new level of a game, a new news article. When a user comes back to an app and there's nothing for them to accomplish, it feels old and stale. Ricardo asked me a great question, which was, what is an example of an app that has done a great job with these 3 steps? So I'll share now. Instagram definitely comes to mind as a winner in these 3 bullet points. So let's go through them one by one. Number 1, what do? I am a great place to experience beautiful pictures. It's been day 2. What do I tell you? You've got friends on Instagram, people have added you back on Instagram, and your friends are making content. Instagram captures a behavior that we're all familiar with, which is seeing something beautiful in the world and capturing it through photo or video. Later on, when I talk about hooks, I'll mention again how Instagram uses natural hooks to have high retention. And the third thing that Instagram does is it says every day there's going to be new content. It's things that you're interested in, the things that you care about. Don't miss out. Come back.